Most people think the worst time to fish is during a storm, but experienced anglers know the exact opposite is often true. Some of the biggest catches happen when the rain starts pounding the water and everyone else heads home. The problem is, if your rain gear fails, your fishing trip is basically over. Wet clothes, freezing wind, zero comfort, and suddenly you're done before the fish even start biting. So today, we're counting down the 5 best rain gear setups for fishing that actually keep you dry, comfortable, and locked in when the weather gets ugly. From lightweight breathable jackets to commercial-grade storm armor, these picks are built for everything from kayak fishing and bass tournaments to brutal offshore conditions. And trust me, one of these completely surprised me with how much performance it delivers for the money. All the links are in the description. Let's get into it. Number 5. NAVIS Marine Men's Pro Workwear 3-piece Waterproof POO Rain Suit. If your idea of fishing involves brutal weather, freezing spray, heavy wind, and conditions that send most people running for cover, the NAVIS Marine Pro Rain Suit is built exactly for that kind of punishment. This thing feels less like regular rain gear and more like wearable armor. Unlike lightweight fishing jackets that prioritize breathability, the NAVIS Marine goes all in on maximum waterproof protection with thick POO-coated fabric and fully welded seams that completely block water intrusion. Compared to the Ourcan suit later on this list, the NAVIS Marine is noticeably tougher, more abrasion-resistant, and far better for commercial fishing or rough offshore environments. What really makes it stand out is the full 3-piece setup, jacket, bib pants, and detachable hood, which gives it more versatility than many competitors at this price range. The material also stays surprisingly flexible compared to old-school PVC suits that become stiff in cold weather. Now, it is heavier and less breathable than premium technical gear like the FROGG TOGGS 50X armor or the BASSDASH Walker LW, so if you move around constantly or fish in warmer climates, you may notice heat buildup. But for pure storm protection and durability, especially in heavy rain and saltwater conditions, this suit punches way above its price point. If you're the kind of angler who refuses to leave the water when the weather gets nasty, this setup is an absolute tank. What do you think? Would you rather have maximum waterproofing or lightweight breathability? Let me know in the comments. Number 4. Grundéns Men's Neptune Commercial Fishing Jacket. Grundéns has a legendary reputation in commercial fishing, and the Neptune jacket shows exactly why deckhands and offshore crews trust this brand so much. Compared to the NAVIS Marine suit, the Neptune feels lighter, more flexible, and easier to move in, while still delivering serious waterproof performance. The 4-way stretch material is a huge advantage when you're constantly casting, hauling gear, or moving around a wet boat deck. One thing that separates this jacket from cheaper rain gear is how well it handles fish oils, grease, and harsh marine environments without breaking down over time. A lot of standard rain jackets start failing after repeated exposure to saltwater and grime, but the Neptune is specifically engineered for that abuse. It also strikes a really smart balance between heavy-duty protection and comfort. It's not as breathable or athletic as the FROGG TOGGS 50X armor, but it's much tougher than lightweight technical shells designed mainly for freshwater anglers. Compared to the BASSDASH Walker LW, the Neptune sacrifices stealth and specialized storage for raw durability and commercial-grade performance. The adjustable hood, welded seams, and secure cuffs all work together to keep water out even during nasty offshore storms. If you fish hard, fish often, and need gear that survives years of punishment instead of just one season, the Neptune absolutely deserves its spot on this list. Number 3. BASSDASH Walker Allure Breathable Waterproof Fishing Jacket. Now, if the NAVIS Marine and Grundéns Neptune are built like tanks, the BASSDASH Walker Allure takes the opposite approach. Lightweight, breathable, mobile, and designed specifically for active anglers and wading fishermen. This jacket is ideal for people who move constantly while fishing and don't want to feel trapped inside stiff rubber rain gear. One of the coolest things here is the silent brushed outer fabric. Unlike many waterproof jackets that make loud crinkling noises every time you move, this one stays quiet, which is a huge advantage for fly fishing and hunting situations where stealth matters. Compared to the Grundéns Neptune, the BASSDASH is far more breathable and comfortable during long active sessions, especially in warmer weather. It also includes angler-focused features like cargo chest pockets, tool attachment loops, a rear net D-ring, and a shorter wading-friendly cut that keeps the jacket out of the water. Now, it's definitely not as rugged as the NAVIS Marine or Neptune for hardcore offshore abuse, but that's not really its purpose. Instead, it focuses on mobility, comfort, and specialized fishing functionality. And honestly, for the price, it competes shockingly well with much more expensive technical fishing jackets from premium outdoor brands. If you're mainly fishing rivers, lakes, kayaks, or doing a lot of movement-based fishing, this jacket gives you a level of comfort and flexibility the heavier commercial gear simply can't match. Number 2. Ourcan rain suits for men. Classic rain gear. Not everyone needs ultra-premium offshore fishing gear, and that's exactly where the Ourcan Classic rain suit comes in. This is the budget-friendly option on the list, but surprisingly, it still delivers reliable waterproof protection for casual anglers and everyday outdoor use. Compared to the NAVIS marine suit, it's lighter, easier to pack, and much less bulky, making it great for keeping in your truck, boat storage compartment, or emergency fishing bag. The trade-off is durability and advanced performance. You don't get the commercial-grade toughness of the Neptune or the technical breathability of the BASSDASH and FROGG TOGGS gear. But honestly, for weekend fishing trips, shoreline casting, or occasional rainy day use, it handles itself really well. The tape seams, storm flap, adjustable hood, and comfortable fit make it far better than those cheap disposable rain suits that fail after one storm. The pants are also easy to throw over boots quickly when the weather suddenly changes, which casual anglers will appreciate. What really makes the Ourcan stand out is value. You're getting a full waterproof jacket and pants setup for a fraction of what premium fishing brands charge. So while serious tournament anglers may want something more advanced, casual fishermen who just need dependable rain protection without spending a fortune will probably find this setup more than enough. Number 1. FROGG TOGGS Men's 50X Armor Premium Waterproof Rain Jacket. This is the one that really brings everything together. The FROGG TOGGS 50X Armor combines the durability of heavy-duty fishing gear with the breathability and mobility of high-end technical outerwear, which is why it takes the top spot on this list. Compared to the Grundéns Neptune, it feels more athletic, lighter, and dramatically more breathable during active fishing. Compared to the BASSDASH Walker LW, it offers stronger weather resistance and better heavy rain performance while still staying comfortable enough for all-day wear. The TOGGS fabric technology does an impressive job balancing waterproofing and ventilation, which matters a lot during long fishing sessions where body heat and moisture buildup can become miserable. This jacket is clearly designed by people who actually fish. The adjustable storm hood with integrated face protection, neoprene-style wrist cuffs, waterproof zippers, and multiple secure storage pockets all feel purpose-built for real-world fishing situations. Whether you're fighting heavy wind offshore or getting hammered by sudden tournament rain, the 50X Armor keeps you protected without feeling bulky or restrictive. And while some premium technical fishing jackets can get insanely expensive, the FROGG TOGGS manages to deliver high-end performance at a price that still feels reasonable. For serious anglers who want one setup that can handle almost everything, bass fishing, offshore trips, kayak fishing, tournaments, and rough weather, this jacket simply gives you the best overall balance of comfort, waterproofing, durability, and performance. So which rain gear setup is actually the winner overall? For pure heavy-duty storm protection, the NAVIS Marine is probably the toughest. For commercial durability, the Grundéns Neptune is legendary. For lightweight mobility and weighting, the BASSDASH Walker LU is excellent. And for budget value, the Ourcan is hard to beat. But when you combine breathability, comfort, weather protection, fishing-focused features, and overall versatility, the FROGG TOGGS 50X Armor takes the crown as the best overall rain gear choice for fishing. It simply covers the widest range of fishing situations better than anything else on this list. And honestly, good rain gear can completely change your fishing experience. Instead of worrying about staying dry, you stay focused on finding fish and enjoying the water, even when the weather turns ugly. So now I want to hear from you. What's the worst weather you've ever fished in? Drop your story in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fishing gear reviews and outdoor content. And remember, all the links are in the description. Stay dry, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.